Just thought I should get real close. Took off the lens for the flip. Oops. Oopsie. Just thought I should make like a little vlog or something. You know what I'm saying? Aside from the intermittent fasting video. On that video, I think I actually gained like a pound or two. But on a different note. Guess what I got in the mail today? My Jack 3D watermelon. Now I went to GNT and I saw Jack 3D, but in fruit punch. And fruit punch is pretty gross, in my opinion. I tried fruit punch in many other pre-workouts and post-workouts, and I'm not a big fan. It's just nasty. Watermelon is by far my favorite flavor on any pre-workout. It's fucking bomb. I haven't tried it yet. I'm super amped about trying it. I want to try it real bad, but of course I gotta wait till tomorrow. Unless I work out again today, which I highly fucking doubt. If I do, I'll probably do like light fucking cardio. But pre-workouts do work because this morning, you know, I was fasting. I've been fasting, so I had an empty stomach. I came home and I was tired. I don't sleep enough because I don't let my body recover. I'm supposed to, but I don't let my body recover as it should be recovering. You know, I should be sleeping about 6 to 8 hours every fucking day. Especially I should be sleeping 8 hours the days I work out. You understand? My body's fucking hurting right now. My body's upset with me. It wants to beat the shit out of me. But that's what a weekend's for. You know, that's why I love my weekends, just because I don't have to wake up early. You know, I could choose to stay in, just sleep. But I've been trying to incorporate naps. You know, during my days. I have to, because I noticed I took a nap one day, and that was after I worked out. You know, of course, after I worked out, I didn't feel anything. You know, I was just tight. It actually feels loose afterwards. After a couple, it feels like just wobbly. But it just feels good, that, you know, that feeling after you work out. So I went to sleep for an hour and 10 minutes. Woke up. My body was fucking already rebuilding itself. I was already in pain. I was like, what the fuck? But that's why I want to incorporate naps, just so I can make up for the lost sleep. But I want to try this Jack 3D real bad. I'm excited. I was really excited, and I bought it from some website called Lockout, I think. And they shipped it the same day. I got it in two days, man. That's real fast. Real fast. I'm going to continue buying it from them. No! Which comes to the question, what is your favorite pre-workout? I just want to know your favorite pre-workouts. I want to read them, so I can, you know, maybe try them out if I'm not a big fan of this Jack 3D, which I doubt, because everybody fucking talks about it. And because the Austrians, of course, use it. That's how I got the idea. I was like, you know, let me try this shit. And I got the flavor from the Austrians as well. I was like, what? They make watermelon? I thought it was just fruit punch. Fruit fucking punch. That nasty bullshit. But, you know, let me know what pre-workouts you guys use or would like to use in the future. And your favorite flavor. Thank you all. And enjoy my videos. I'm glad you stay tuned like always. And I don't have lotion on, so it's gonna be a crusty fucking slap.
Want to supersize for a quarter more?